Motoring enthusiasts are abuzz with the news that Suzuki will be bringing back a new motorcycle inspired by its legendary late 70s model, the GS-1000S. Before we get into the GS-1000S, let's take a look back at the success of the Suzuki GS-1000S in the past. In the late 1970s, the Suzuki GS-1000S was known as one of the most powerful and revolutionary sports bikes. With its 1,000 cubic centimeters four-cylinder engine and distinctive sporty design, the GS-1000S won the hearts of speed and touring enthusiasts. Its powerful performance and toughness on the track made it a big motorcycle icon of its time. And now, Suzuki is reviving that spirit with the legendary GS-1000s that first hit the streets in the late 70s. The original bold and characterful design has been repackaged with a stunning neo-retro twist. The all-new neo-retro features modern lines while maintaining the classic feel of the GS-1000s. If you're a lover of retro-inspired motorcycles or even a loyal Suzuki fan from the classic era, it's time to welcome a new icon that carries the legendary DNA. Get ready to experience a retro feel with today's technology with the all-new Suzuki GS-1000 Neo-Retro. The front fairing design retains the teardrop shape of the old GS-1000S. It features a round LED headlamp with modern embellishments, creating a blend of retro feel and modern functionality. The tank retains the classic silhouette of the GS-1000S with a slightly high contour at the front. The shape allows the rider to bring their knees together for more precise control. The Suzuki logo is printed large on the side of the tank, highlighting the strong brand identity. The rear of the bike is slightly tapered with integrated LED stoplights. The Cafe Racer-style single seat blends into the body, giving it a retro yet sporty feel. The rear fender is designed to be more compact, giving the GS-1000S a modern feel without losing its classic characteristics. The gold-colored rims add a premium feel while contrasting with the body scheme, showing a blend of classic and futuristic. Combined with the large tube diameter, the upside-down suspension provides optimal damping in various road conditions. The rear suspension uses a modern monoshock system to improve comfort as well as rear-wheel traction. Unfortunately, this is just a CG rendering from French designer Bikes. But fans are excited about the concept and hope that it actually comes to life.